What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. And today's video, we're going over the top 5 tool gifts for tradespeople and DIYers. Welcome back. I want to let you all know that, yes, this is a top 5, but no, it's not. Or yes, it's not. In any particular order, these are just 5 great picks. Quality tools at great prices. Some might still be available before the big holiday. Some you might not be able to get your hands on, so you maybe have to get a little certificate that says it's on its way. But let's get into it. First on our list of top 5 tool gifts for tradespeople and DIYers, but not necessarily number 1. This is the first one on our list, but it's not number 1, is the Dewolf Extreme 12-volt Max Brushless Cordless Drill and Impact Driver Kit. This is kit number DCK221F2. This comes with a 12-volt Extreme version, or Extreme Series, impact driver and drill driver. The impact driver is 3 speeds. The drill driver comes with 2 modes. Drill, straight through drill, 100% of the power, and then we have some clutch settings. I gotta tell you, I want to scroll down here. It says here, the DCK221F2 12-volt max lithium-ion brushless drill and impact driver kit is compact and performance-packed. We've done a lot of testing with these tools, and I will say that this is a pretty valid statement. The DCD701 drill is designed for precision applications and great for applications like small pilot holes, but also can handle up to 1/2-inch spade bits or paddle bits or spattle bits, depending on what you call them. Small enough to fit in the tightest places, only 5.97 inches long, and enough power to get the job done with 250 unit watts out. I know what you're thinking. What's a unit watt out? It's a proprietary measurement of power that DeWalt uses. So if you ask me to convert those 250 unit watts out to a torque rating, can't necessarily do it. And a 2-speed transmission. So that drill driver is 2 speeds. It does have a 3/8 chuck. It's a really awesome drill driver. Really like it. Very compact. Now, the DCF801 impact driver, it's the impact portion of the combo kit, is designed for precision applications, great for applications like small fasteners, but can also handle 1/4-inch lag bolts. It's pretty powerful. Small enough to fit in the tightest places, at only 5.05 inches long, and enough power to get the job done with 1,450 inch-pounds of torque. They don't use the proprietary rating there. They use regular torque. And 3 LEDs positioned on the nose cone to illuminate all work areas. Pretty cool. You could definitely find it at Acme Tools. We'll have a link in the description below. You could also find it at your big box store, Lowe's Home Improvement. They have them as well. I will say this. Since we've been singing the praises of these new DeWalt Extreme 12-volt Max Brushless Cordless Drill Impact Driver kits and tools, the combo kits have been kind of sold out in the locations that I frequent at Lowe's, but you can find them here at Acme Tool. I just don't know if they're going to get to you by the big day if you're giving it for a Christmas present. Let's move on to one of my favorite nylon tool belt manufacturers and retailers, Atlas 46. They are a small business that makes quality rigs. They make tool belts, they make tool bags, they make roll-ups. They have an unbelievable selection of nylon and storage goods for tools. They are veteran-owned, and they employ veterans. Really cool. We'll tell you this. One of the main reasons I love Atlas 46 is that you can customize your tool belts, your tool rigs. They even have tool aprons. So you're going to get exactly what you need to be productive. Everything is modular, and they have a solution for your tool organization, storage, and work problems. They have, look at this. They have some pre-built rigs, all the way from starters to plain padded belts where you can build your own rig. Carpenter's professional rig and belt system kits. I gotta tell you, really, really nice. I like these magnetic panels. You install them on your vest, so you can keep them pretty close to you where you need them. I want to show you some of those tool vests as well, so you can see, like the Saratoga vest, very popular. It allows you to keep everything. You could install pouches on it. You could put holsters on it. You could see that magnetic panel there. Pretty cool. And that's why they made our list of the top 5 tool gifts for tradespeople and DIYers. Hardcore DIYers. You got to be pretty hardcore for this, I got to tell you. Or you just want to be real productive. Let's move on. 2. Dewolf's 15 amp corded 10-inch compact job site table saw. It says with Site Pro modular guarding system with stand. This one is an unbelievable deal. This is one we get. DIYers ask us all the time, hey, what would be a good table saw for me? And we have professional tradespeople also ask, hey, what would be a really good compact job site table saw? The answer to both of them would be this Dewolf 15 amp corded 10-inch compact job site table saw. The price is unbelievable at $299, plus it's coming with a free stand. Really like this saw, have a lot of experience running this type of saw, love the rack and pinion fence system. You use this handle here, you dial in to the diameter or measurement that you need. You lock it down with a handle. It's quick. It's intuitive. You get the job done quick. I like it. I really, really think that anyone adding this table saw will be more productive. Unless you're like an electrician, then, maybe not. Unless you're ripping down panel mounts or something like that. You need to rip 3/4 ply for panel mounts. Then it would make you more productive. But this is an awesome deal. This is a great saw. And that's why it's on our list for the top 5 tool gifts for tradespeople and hardcore DIYers. We're going to move on to one of my personal favorites that has made it to my toolkit, makes it off the truck every day. When I need it, it's there, and it's multi-function. I like it. It's an awesome, awesome tool. Plus, there's a promo going on right now on it. It's the M12 Fuel from Milwaukee, their installation drill and driver kit. Now, why do I like this so much? It's just a versatile tool. Don't be confused by the 1/4-inch adapter right here that you can use with this. It's not an impact. This is more of a driver. But what you can do with this tool is, and why it's so versatile, is you can swap out any one of these heads. We have a ratcheting chuck. We have an offset head. We have a 90-degree head that you could use with any one of these chucks, as well as the 1/4-inch collet. You pop them onto your installation driver. It has different clutch settings. It's multiple speed. You got your handy-dandy forward and reverse selector switch on the top. I will say this, anybody that's been using the fuel line for a while, it might take you a little bit to get used to it, but it also has provisions up front with a magnet to hold bits and drivers and drill bits and all kinds of stuff up front. Really strong magnet. You can see, you can outfit the installation driver with the different heads. Makes it very versatile. I've not really used screwdrivers, electronic screwdrivers or electric screwdrivers previously. I would always use impact drivers and drill drivers, but not a screwdriver. And this is more on that screwdriver drill line. It's really awesome. Plus, if you use the link down below to go to Acme Tool to pick it up, says it's still on pre-order. It says the estimated ship date's December 22nd, but you are getting a 6 amp hour battery promo. Okay, so you're going to get a free M12 6 amp hour battery from Acme Tool. The other thing is that this qualifies for free shipping. And if you don't live in like Minnesota or Michigan, you're not going to pay tax. Be tax free for you. And that's why it made it to our list of the top 5 tool gifts for professionals and contractors, tradespeople, and hardcore DIYers. I know this list is a little carpenter-oriented, but I can't help myself. These are some of my personal favorite tools that are an unbelievable bargain. This is why I wanted to share. Maybe it should be my top 5 tool gifts. But there's no doubt about it. This last tool is absolutely amazing. It's the Skill Saw 7 1/4 True HVL Cordless Worm Drive Saw Kit. We have tested this saw. This is a true worm drive cordless saw solution from Skill Saw. I think a lot of people didn't think this would ever happen. But the reality is that this cordless version of the Skill Saw actually outperforms its corded brethren. Is that right? Is that even the right word, brethren? But it does. We've done test after test after test, side by side.
Go. 6.46 seconds.
Okay.
Go. 5.63 seconds. Go. 6.01 seconds.
There you go. Sometimes slow is fast and fast is slow. We got our fully charged HVL. Boom. Tell you this much. Whoa. I like the brake.
Go. 5.52 seconds.
You want to write that down? Or you're writing them? 5.52?
Yeah.
Not bad.
Go.
That had to be in the fours.
5.34 seconds.
It's getting close. I feel like we could break into the fours.
Go.
That was it. In the fours, baby.
5.11 seconds.
Woo! It was close. It was close. Average time for the corded Mag 77, 6.03 seconds to rip double thick 3/4 inch OSB on the 8-foot edge. Average time through the double thick 3/4 OSB for the SPT-77M-22 is 5.32 seconds, which is almost a second faster. Unbelievable. And this saw is just, it's an unbelievable worm drive, left line of sight, true worm drive saw. One of my favorite parts about this saw is the dust collection. Skill Saw has done an amazing job of funneling all that sawdust up through the guard and out the handle. You can connect that handle to a vacuum. Makes for virtually, it probably collects 90% of the dust. It's fast performing. I wish I could baffle you with a whole bunch of crazy specifications, but the reality is that this is the worm drive Skill Saw that has pretty much built America, right? That's what they say. Skill Saw is the saw that built America. But instead of having a cord, it now has a battery. One of the gripes that some of you Skill Saw loyalists and other consumers have had, and some of you, other tradespeople and hardcore DIYers have had, is the price. Right now at Acme Tool, and this is like a limited time offer, if you wanted to buy the skill saw kit, you would get it, tool, single battery, and the charger for $399. In my opinion, if you're ripping sheet goods and cutting 2x lumber day in, day out, it's a tremendous value. The portability, the versatility, and the performance, it's worth every one of those dollars. Here's the deal. Acme Tools offering a promo right now. If you buy that saw kit, they're going to give you a second skill saw SPTH15F battery for free right now. So that kind of brings the cost down. I think the 2 battery kit was almost in the $600 range, but now you're getting 2 batteries, the saw and the charger, $399. It's unbelievable value. You can check it out for yourself in the link below. And that's about it for our top 5 tool gifts for tradespeople and hardcore DIYers. I guess there's a little bit of a carpentry slant to this list, but I don't know. They're awesome tools. And if you think they're awesome tools, let us know by tapping the like button. It's free for you to do, and it helps out the channel immensely. Also, leave it down in the comment section below. What would be your top 5 tool gifts? What do you think of my top 5 tool gifts? Would you complain if any of these tool gifts ended up underneath your Christmas tree? We want to know. Leave them down below. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you all on the next one.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.